What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, still making its way relentlessly to the upside by the looks of things. Just taking a look at this chart, obviously super bullish, the massive coil as we've always said. The big, the breakout here of this resistance, the back test of the 618 and the coiling motion, that big pennant formation. And then you can see here, we've just been heading up, higher highs, higher lows, big uptrend, looking exceptionally good right now, trading really technically as well. Obviously, let me stick this back on auto so you can see what's going on. But pretty much ever since we got to this this swing low here, we've been, holding this uptrend. You can see every time we've come down, we've retested this area. Every single time that we've retested this trend line, we have actually, got that really nice bounce to the upside for continuation. And you can see Polygon, it's just heading up really, isn't it? It's just overall looking really bullish every time it has a significant drop. The dips do get bought up really quickly. And it's just looking really good, isn't it? There's really not that much to say about it apart from that it's just chunking its way to the upside. Continuously looking quite good. Obviously, potentially, as we said before, we might have some bearish divergences forming here. But, the momentum to the upside is still increasing like this. And, if we do see ourselves, have Bitcoin, the thing to, this is the thing to remember, isn't it? Polygon is doing this when the market is looking bearish. So imagine when the market flips bullish again, what Polygon is going to do. Like, it's probably just going to go, potentially and snap all the way up to that next Fibonacci level at the 127 at $4. If Bitcoin goes up $10,000 in a week, back up into the 50k, maybe even 60k areas, Polygon's probably just going to have a massive pump, isn't it? And it's going to invalidate, potentially these bearish divergences that could be forming here. As you can see, the momentum to the upside is increasing, which means the demand for Polygon is so high right now. You can see the volume as well. The volume starting to return, from these previous highs that we saw for Polygon here. We're seeing a decent amount of volume recently, which is good to see. And you'd probably expect Polygon to continue to the upside. As we said, based on all these factors, it's holding this trend to the upside really nicely. There's a lot of demand in these support areas, and you can see like every time we get down towards, just under fair value, people are buying Polygon in this area, aren't they? They're not even letting it get oversold. At least on the daily time frame here, they're not letting it get anywhere near as oversold as it was back here when we're at 63 cents. So you can see the demand for Polygon right now is super high. It's looking really strong, isn't it? And if we just take a look at what's been going on here, you'll see our price prediction that we actually said yesterday and the day before has come perfectly to fruition. You can see obviously we had this range here that we talked about before. You can see we put in the range here. We came up that new all-time high, but we came back into the range. So we got the swing failure pattern of the high. We come in, we form the range. We come down, we lose the bottom of the range with Bitcoin rolling over. So we roll all the way down to this area here. Guess where we found support? At around $2, a big psychological support. We come back up to that in and around that 222 area, another key area of support and resistance that we pointed out. We roll all the way down and form that double bottom, don't we? This W double bottom like which is basically sitting perfectly on the 0.78 Fibonacci retracement level there that we have had drawn in for a long time. Essentially at around that, that 195 area. And you can see the confluence of all these areas for a bounce. We've got the bullish divergences on our RSI, on our histogram. You can see we've come down, we've touched the Fibonacci level as support, and we've also touched the trend line as support. 3 layers of confluence here: the trend line, the Fibonacci, the bullish divergence, and you can see we come down, we form our W double bottom like this to try and retest that low. We find support and we have the massive reaction to the upside, don't we? And we said, as we said before, our next target to the upside was the bottom of that previous range that was support, tested as resistance here, and you can see that's exactly what happened. Looking very strong indeed. And in our opinion, as we said, we do think Polygon looking like an exceptionally strong project that's going to continue to do well. So today's, TA, this is what we've seen so far today. Just having a really nice reaction now, looking like we're consolidating. Potentially for that next leg up, we're coming down back down on the hourly time frame into fair value. And in our opinion, sooner or later, we are going to see a really, probably a continuation for Polygon. So short-term price predictions, then keeping things short and sweet. If we roll over here, we've got that previous swing high of the 222 that could be a good support. Come down, do something like this, find support in this area, and then get that bounce back into this range. And then obviously, as we said, if we want to get back into this range, our next target, if we break this area here, will be that previous all-time high of that 268, 270 area up here. And then obviously getting towards the all-time high around $3 is the next target after that. And as we've said, for so long now, like 50 cents, $5 to $10, sorry, for Polygon. Very, very likely in our opinion. I mean, it's literally, as we said, a 2 to 4x from the current price. Very, very, this is a quality project, isn't it? We do think that this is going to continue to do very well. There's a lot of demand for Polygon right now. And, we've seen how well Avalanche, Solana have done, etc. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.